Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Tangled Branches, chapter 34. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jiryu said it was not talking. Still, she was speaking to Jiangshu. At this moment, Jiangshu, she looks feeling comfortable. Well, it seems that Jiryu's plan, it's really going through. Right now, we can see she's having difficulty. Haha, sister, why bother with me? Jiryu said, I got the wrong place. Aren't you the one who's feeling uncomfortable? Well, stop dreaming. I can't possibly cooperate with you. What does it mean to be uncomfortable? If you indulge in desire, that's the end. After poking for so long, my sister's mouth still hasn't softened. It seems I was too lazy. Curious said to herself, now, looking at this girl, she seems to be getting motivated, and said, this position, well, it seems that she was really going through. But for Jiangshu, how dare you? You are not allowed to. But it seems that Jiyu will go anyway, even though without any permission. And it was right. Jiyu, she really can't hesitate anymore. At this moment, she really won't go through to the process, but it seems that you must completely conquer the Emperor's body. Jiyu said to herself, now, let's see what's gonna happen. Jiangsu, she's feeling comfortable. This, she's really getting crazy. A little bit uncomfortable, but still, her face and reaction, it's really getting too tough. Well, Chiyu, she must really excited of teasing her like this. She know to herself that Jiangsu will really give in. Looking at it, only then can you open your heart. But still, Jiangsu, she looks feeling comfortable with that look on her face. Well, it seems that she's trembling. Jiryu said, but looking at Jiangsu, even though she was trying hard to restrain herself in front of Jiryu, but still, Jiryu can win. Fortunately, I help you lick it to clean. Otherwise, Jiryu, she continued to tease her, but at this moment, after touching it, Jiryu, she was trying to caress her faces, to be able to get her on her side, but you'll be like me, wasting it all on the bed. Chiyu said, well, it seems that Changshu, she seemed, she seems to be uncomfortable. With that look on her face, she was calling her name, but her body, it's really not cooperative with her. Still, it gave it away. Even after being so by Chiyu, Jiangshu, she was thinking, her body still reacting so much in front of Chiyu's. Sister, did you enjoy it now? Chiyu, she was calling her, and also she was asking her, like, she really wanted this her so much. But of course, Jiangshu, she was denying it. Why did you stop? Well, no, do I want her to continue, but still, her mind and her body, it's not agreeing, and said it was inaccurate. You're so silly, but it's still stubborn. It seems I'm not cruel at all. Well, so the Empress-in-law doesn't want to continue. Chiyu, look at her, with her mischievous look like that. She's really teasing her so much. But Jiangshu, she was denying her feelings and said she is not in the mood to be able to continue. But still, her body, reacting so much like that. Okay then, let's take a break. Chiyu said to her, but looking at Jiangshu, it seems that she don't want to stop. Well, she was questioning herself. My skills aren't good enough, so if I continue, I just be humiliating myself, Jiangshu said to hers. Let's try again next time. If the queen's wives is still dissatisfied with me, I will give up. Shiryu said, we surely give up, or, well, forget it, let's take it, one step at a time. Still, looking at the two of them, finally, they can able to stop. But why? Why Shiryu? Even though she was restraining herself, still, surely can forget it. Also, surely can forget that she is really enjoying it. Look at her, this unreliable body. Well, she was holding herself. Why is that without her teasing? At this moment, she continued to shake, but even though trying herself to calm down, still, it's really acting so weird that Changshu, at this moment, she's still shaking. If I could hold back every time and not give in to her desire, well, maybe. Still, she was thinking, and also she was hesitating, and said to herself, can you really persuade Chiyu to quit? But now, finally, it seems that both of the two of them are already been settled. Still, she's not sleeping, but only murmuring on herself. Well, looking at Chiyu, she was staring, but suddenly she feels something. Did she really feel tied up? Well, why suddenly? She was surprised. Could it be that Chiyu tied her and also she wanted to play with her again? Well, this must be exciting, but also she's really surprised about that. Well, Chiyu said, sister, you're awake. Well, it turns out when she got awakened, she got tied by Chiyu. And now, Chiyu, it's like she's an hungry priest that she want to go and eat her. You think my skills are not good? We can use those. Well, this time we tried one by one. Chiyu, it seems that she's going too far by this. Well, using tools and everything. Finally, there's always one. Chiyu said to her, well, it seems that today, Jiangsu, she can really restrain herself, but also she can experience that what Chiyu's going to do. Chiyu, she's become tricky, and also she become playful. Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!